How did I end up here under this beautiful sky by the lake on this awesome note sofa? It was so amazing, I really forgot. So let's just rewind and see how it all started. Hi guys, and welcome to Alt Couch. Today we have a new piece of furniture that we are going to put together. It's not your everyday piece of furniture or your typical piece of furniture that we are going to put together. It is the Coddle Note sofa or modular sofa. It's the 3-seater. So I'm very excited about doing this, especially that I have done this before with Coddle. We've built the Gemini or the Coddle Smart Couch, and then we have their bed, super smart bed frame. And I'm saying smart because they're awesome. They're not just pieces of furniture. And you're about to find out why actually. So, first of all, this is how they come. They are delivered to your door in boxes. They are labeled. What I have here is the color sand. They come in many colors, many shapes, many features. On their website you'll find everything about the Coddle. Let's talk about what we have here right now, the Node sofa. Okay, so I'm gonna start putting this together. Always ask for help. It's better to have two people working together, but today I'm going to try to put it all by myself and build it and assemble it. I'm going to start with the left and right arms box. So beautiful, I'm gonna cry. I haven't started yet and I can tell it's so beautiful. It's going to be amazing. Look at that beautiful fabric, high-end quality. There's a reason why I'm wearing this. It's sand. Keep it clean. Hi guys, this is Reina with Alt Couch, and today I'm going to review the Node sofa. It comes from Coddle. I built it a few weeks ago. I assembled it, and it comes in 3 or 4 boxes. So it comes in boxes. It depends on how you want it or how you want to build it. This one, I decided to get the 3-seater, so 3 seats and 3 backs come in 3 separate boxes, and in another box come 2 arms, the left and right. And it's really been a good experience so far. That's why I'm going to review it today. Building it or assembling the Node was easy. All you have to do is find and locate first of all, on the box itself, it's labeled, so it tells you left arm, right arm, 3 seats, everything you need to know and what's inside the boxes. Once you open up the box, I was able to find in a super secret little compartment, there's like zippers. Inside the zippers you will find the pieces that you need, such as the legs. And by the way, let me seriously start with the legs. You screw them in, super easy, but what's awesome is that you can tell by looking at them. Like, I'm holding the legs and I'm like, this is fabulous, beautiful finish. The legs are pretty. So we can start by this, and you can tell that it's a wonderful product to begin with, and we haven't started yet. Then I started assembling. I have noticed things such as, and this is a piece of tip, if you decide to purchase this couch or this sofa, it's a modular sofa, which means you can play around with the setting. It grows with you. You can make just one seat out of it, 2 seats, or the 3 seats. That's what you see right now. Super awesome. But here's my piece of tip, is that when you assemble them and you want to make sure that they are connected properly, locate those little, if you want, tips, or they're like stoppers. So as you're building and connecting the arm and the chair, let's pretend, side, or the seat side, make sure that those little bumps or the stoppers are the ones that where the other piece is gonna sit. So it's sitting properly and correctly. That's the one thing that I have noticed. Other than that, oh my gosh, I want to keep it forever. And yes, I will keep it forever. And if I move to a different apartment or house, I will move it with me. And this is another awesome thing about the note from Coddle, is that you can disassemble it, move it wherever you want, and then assemble it back all over again. Now what makes it so special also is that on both ends and both sides, there's 2 cords. This is a smart sofa, people. It's elegant, it's pretty, it's simple, but it's also smart. So you can plug it in, and then on both ends or both sides of the arms, there's USB ports and an outlet on each side. It's everything you want. You just sit down nice and pretty and relaxed while you're charging your devices or working. Get your laptop and just sit, or just take a little nap, which is what I did so many times on it, just to make sure that I have the right sofa. Some sofas, they do tell you that you can just take a nap, have fun, relax. Some sofas will wake you up because they're like not really comfortable. This one is yet again elegant, pretty, and comfortable, which are things that you cannot really find all combined in one item. That's the item that I'm talking about here, the note again. Now, if you look closely to the fabric, I looked at it and I'm like, this fabric, this material is built to last. It's absolutely wonderful. And inside the pieces that come with the note, which is the backrests or the seats, make sure you find your 3 pillows. I love them. I love those little additions. Everything is in the details here, and all the details were wonderful. I mean, it's good for a big apartment, it's good for a smaller apartment. It's just everything you want. You can make 3 seats like I did right now here, but if you go to their website, you have more options. You can make it an L shape. A lot of things you can benefit or take advantage of when you purchase the note. So, that's pretty much it. This is the note. Simple, elegant, comfortable, and built to last. And you can take it anywhere with you, wherever you go. I'm gonna try to do the armchair one day and do just the 1 seat, because this is gonna be really, really pretty. And if you have any questions about the note, please let me know. I'm here to answer them. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this review. I mean, it's just what you want nowadays. The modern day living is all about alternative couches. So keep an eye on Alt Couch. There will be more coming up. And thank you for watching this video. I always wanted to have a really classy, fancy armchair. So this is what I'm gonna do right now with the note. I'm going to disassemble the 2 arms and one seat and one bag. And actually I'm gonna assemble them somewhere else, so stick around. Easy, we're still here. Nope. That's it. Oh my God! How can you resist such beautiful piece of furniture by the lake with this awesome view? Awesome piece of furniture with an awesome view. Thank you, Coddle. Thank you for this beautiful note. Absolutely love it. I just wanted to give you an idea on how easy it is to disassemble it and assemble it wherever you want to go. Thanks for watching.